Sorry about that, had to get zooted real quick. What is going on, DNix fam? Dane Nixon here, back with another video. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. We recently just hit 100 subs, so I want to thank you guys all so much for the support. I love you guys so much. If you're new to the channel, hit that red sub button, join the DNix fam, and join me on your fitness journey. I just recently seen my knee doctor last week because I've been dealing with quadricep tendonitis, as I explained in a previous video called My Story. And I'm going to take you guys through the workout today, kind of show you what I've been doing. It's been helping my knees out a lot more. I'm going to be back to 100% before you know it. So stay tuned for that. Let's get this workout. To start things out, I usually use a massage gun in the morning, afternoon, like around my workout time, and then at night to help kind of bring new blood flow to the area around my knee, and kind of help heal those tendons quicker. So next up, after the massage gun, I'm gonna do a 45-degree wall sit. Now I'm gonna do this one-legged. Depending on where you're at with your quadricep tendonitis, I would say start with both legs, just a regular wall sit. And then once you advance, you know, those tendons are eventually going to heal more. You're gonna wanna do a one-legged wall sit. I do this about 3 rounds of 30 seconds. So next up, I come over here to the leg extension, and all I'm doing is using the lower part of my quad to engage. I'm not coming all the way straight, just halfway, enough to engage that lower part of your quad. So it's gonna actually engage your lower part of your quad, and it's gonna work on strengthening those tendons. You're gonna hold for about 10 seconds, and then you're gonna let go, rest for a second, and then hold for another 10 seconds. I usually do about 10 rounds of these. After you do those holds, you're gonna go into a leg extension, but you're gonna come back with one leg. So it's gonna focus on the tendons, strengthen those tendons more, but not so much stress on the overall quad. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10 each side. Next up, we got some hamstring work, supersetted with that leg extension to kind of help build my hamstrings up because I'm actually quad dominant, so I need to work on my hamstring strength a little bit. So we're gonna grab a bar, out, got a single leg, straight leg deadlift. My doctor also recommended a hip thrust, so I'm gonna do regular barbell hip thrust, but I change it up all the time. So sometimes I'll do it without weight, higher reps. Sometimes I'll do the barbell weight, or sometimes I'll use like a dumbbell, just to kind of switch things up. Because that's how I like to train. I like to switch things up all the time. So we're gonna get in these hip thrusts. We got 3 sets of 15 on this. We're supersetting those hip thrusts with the glute and ham raise. 3 sets of 15. Now there's 2 ways you can do this. You can either grab a plate and hold it here, across your chest, and come up, or you can do no weight, which is the same thing. Just a way to advance it, just add weight. I switch it up, so today is no weight because I'm feeling a little bit more sore than usual. So this isn't part of the quadricep tendonitis workout, but we can't neglect the calves, and it's not gonna hurt your tendons in any way. So I like to finish with my favorite calf exercise, which is gonna be 10 reps every step, all the way up to 100. So right here. Step, next 10 reps. That is going to wrap up the workout right there, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're dealing with quadricep tendonitis, definitely a great workout to try. Get your tendons strong. I'm definitely going to include some of these workouts and exercises in my future workouts because I realize now, dealing with quadricep tendonitis, I need to make sure my tendons are just as strong as my muscles. It's vitally important for longevity and to live good, live healthy the rest of my life. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. Catch you guys in the next one. DNix out.